In this video, we will discuss what is the vertex of a shape. The point where two sides join is called a vertex. In this example, we can see the vertices of these three shapes. Basically, vertex is the point where the two sides of a shape are joining. A triangle has three vertices. We can see that it has 3 points where two of its sides are joining. A rectangle has 4 vertices. We can see that a rectangle has 4 points where two of its sides are joining. A circle has 0 vertex because it has no side. A square has 4 vertices because a square has 4 points where two of its sides are joining.